Yo, what's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? It's a bright and early, well, okay, not bright and it's not early. I'm a little bit late here. Sorry about that. But here we are. Here we are. Thrashin. Thursday is upon us. I'm very excited. I am very, very excited. My project I was working on this morning here, my Docker containers. Oh. Before I go breaking stuff, my Docker containers seem to be working. I'm very excited about this. Because what does that mean for me? What does that mean for me? Well, that means that not only is my Docker container up and running, but my pipelines Docker container, which is where I can run all my pipelines locally from Bitbucket, is working. I'm very excited about that. Very excited about that. Additionally, there's a little something that we are going to be doing. What are we going to be doing here? Okay, so there's a little something more that we're going to be doing. I know we have a cooking stream that hasn't been happening. We haven't had these cooking streams in a bit. So we need to, A, organize our cooking streams and actually make them happen. B, on the additional portion there, we also need to not only make our cooking streams happen, but a friend of mine and I, a member of the community, he and I have been playing the same genre of video game for approximately, 20 some years at this point. We're pretty good. We're pretty good. I'm just going to go on a limb. I'm going to say it. We're pretty good. We're not bad. We're pretty decent players. I think we can be better. We have goals for ourselves, and that is to be top 500 on every track. Top 500 in the world on every track on this game. It's a motocross racing game, supercross racing, that sort of thing. Our goal is to be top 500 on every single track. For a couple old dudes that ain't young anymore, might be a bit of a challenge, but I think we can do it. Out of the thousands and thousands of people that have played and do play that game, I would think that we could do top 500 for sure, being a couple old dudes. So we're going to try to do some stuff. I don't know how it's going to work out specifically, but I think ultimately, now that we're streaming to YouTube and Twitch at the same time, ultimately it's going to kind of go like this. Our YouTube, we're going to be focused around two things. Number one is going to be a track dissection day, where we dissect the track very slowly. I shouldn't even say slowly. We can dissect things pretty quickly. But there's going to be a track dissection day, and then there's going to be a track race day, where we put forth the effort to try to get into that top 500 position, somewhere within the top 500. Of course, that will be just trying to best each other. We'll pick a different track each week, and we'll work our way through all of the tracks, of which there are many. We're only concerning ourselves really with the Supercross side of things and the tracks therein, but still, should be fun. Should be a fun and enjoyable way, and it gives us a chance to hang out on the evenings. We usually hang out a little bit throughout the week anyway, in the evenings, playing video games or something like that. So why not allow the community in? Why not let us all enjoy it a little bit together, you know? Plus, I think it would be really good for maybe people, riders that are struggling with particular lines or particular tracks. It might do them some good to be able to see like a breakdown, maybe from people that aren't professionals and aren't just like, yeah, man, you just send it into this corner and fly through. You just jump twice. You're out of the section. You know, we're going to do a little bit more of a detailed breakdown, I think. We're going to talk about lines. We're going to ride over the stuff. We're going to figure out the tracks. We're going to try to break them down to what makes sense. And then we're going to try to see what we can and can't do in terms of time and line choice. So it'll be good. It'll be fun. Something different for sure. But something different in all the right ways, I think. So, my friends, it's Thrashin Thursday. The weekend is approaching. I got to do some extra work today, though. Ended up not doing the cooking stream last night. I apologize. We probably could have. I just wasn't feeling it. I'll be real honest with you. I was tired. I was kind of pooped. I've been so pooped lately. What is this? What the heck? Apparently, okay. I just found a neat little thing here for dealing with Bitbucket specifically. Apparently, there's an integration with PyCharm. There's a plugin out there that allows you to, like, I don't know. I guess it gives you right-click menu contexts to, like, do things in Bitbucket. I don't know. Not really interested in that. Right-click menu context, not really my jam, if you know what I'm saying. But, you know what is my jam? Jumping into some Pomodoros on this wonderful Thrashin Thursday. I'm very excited. Very, very excited. Yeah, okay. And does anybody here play an Xbox on a computer monitor? Anybody play an Xbox on a computer monitor? Because that's what I'm going to have to do for... I think that's what I'm going to have to do for this game. For us to be able to do this. And I don't know... I don't know how that's going to work out. I don't know how that's work. I have no idea. There's so much stuff I don't know still. I mean, we're going to get it figured out. We're going to get it ironed out for sure, without a doubt. We'll figure it out. But I'm not sure how it's going to feel. I'm trying to imagine myself playing on a controller and like trying to narrate what's happening in addition to watching it here. It'll be cool. It'll be cool. We'll give it a shot. I mean, we might as well, right? Like, we've done some crazy stuff. This would be not as crazy as other things, like our cooking streams, which get a little wild from time to time. All right, friends. Let's jump into a Pomodoro. Let's get some stuff done. I'm excited to run some tests here in my pipeline. You ready to rock and roll? I'm ready to rock and roll. Let's rock and roll.
one has ever done that!
All right, everybody. Sorry about this. I just got called into a meeting, so I got to go. I got to make a quick run of this. My apologies. If I get a chance, I'll try to hop on a little bit later. Maybe we can redeem some of our Thrashin Thursday Pomodoros and the wise words of Bill and Ted. Be excellent to each other, okay? Keep doing great things. You guys matter. You're making a difference in the world. In the wise words of Mojo as well, don't be a dick to each other. Thank you guys so much for coming in, hanging out. Sorry, I got to cut Thrashin Thursday short today. You know, I don't typically like to do that, but meetings are meetings, and I got to go where my bread and butter is made, where the money gets made. All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out today. Really sorry about the super short one this morning. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Until then, see ya.